Hello, everyone. Thanks for the fill on this 129. Give me one quick second, please. All right, guys. Sorry. All right, we are gonna go live here. Here, turn off my TV with loud sound. All right, we are going to go live. Here we go. We're live. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the time of 6:23 p.m. 6:23. ASM 129 8.0 CGC, 180 spots on the list. All right. So once again, just showing you that we are live there, and we're going to go ahead and do the 3 dice. Nine is the number. Top spot will take the book home. Good luck. First, second, third, fourth, sixth, 7, 8. All right, guys. Good luck. Top spot takes this book home. It's a gorgeous 8.0 new slab CGC. And your winner is spot 149, Aaron Alden. All right. Here we go ahead, and we're going to come down. I'm going to show you your SPB, HAB, Aaron Alden. 9 rounds. 625 here, 625 here, and 625 here. Congratulations. Shoot me a PM. We're done. Thanks a lot, guys.